first movie was Two States with Alia Bhatt, and the most recent is Sanju with Anushka Sharma and Dhadak with Janhvi Kapoor.
So I've worked with Vardan a couple of times, and honestly, उसे कुछ explain नहीं करना पड़ता. I think he just gets your look and your face very correctly, and he's always a joy to work with.
So as you see, excitement, because this is my favorite look. This is the wing liner look with a little twist, which I've tried on Sonakshi, Jacqueline, Alia, and many others. So the face is prepped now. So I'm just going to add some more eyeshadow and then a wing liner. So it's a brown eyeshadow which I'm going to add on a crease line just to make it more sharper from outer corner to inner corner, just creating a crease. I'm just going to add a little shimmer in the center of the eye, which is called peach keen, and then I'm going to add highlighter, which is a little brighter. So I'm just going to clean the face with a powder brush. So I like to add any skin color pencil on the waterline. So now I'm going to start with liner. I've used Black Track from MAC and the brush is 210. So if you think you can't get the liner straighter, upper or anything, there's a trick to it. It's a very easy trick which I think you can do it with any visiting card. You can just place the card, just start the liner, and just take it closer to the eye. With this, normally I like a nude shades, but you can also use any vibrant color. So I'm just using this pencil called Spice, which is very close to her skin color. This look basically I've created for Sonakshi in one of her photo shoots very recently. Sonakshi doesn't like very vibrant colors, so we made the wig but with a subtle color. As you'll see on the Sonakshi's look, she was wearing a grey t-shirt. It was like a very casual, easy look. So I think I need to add some more mascara. As you work with Sonakshi, she gives you a liberty of trying so many things. So maximum time, Sonakshi likes her makeup to be very subtle, clean, and a lot of blusher actually. One more thing, which whenever you do a liner, you need to define the eyebrow more, make it little darker. Sonakshi also likes her brow to be well defined, well shaped. This is the look we did with Sonakshi.